Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun Mini to treat your neck. Whether you're looking at your phone all day or you're a frequent flyer and have to deal with the pain associated with sleeping on airplanes, your neck can become stiff, sore, and carry tension. The Theragun Mini is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. And the best part is, because it's compact size, it's our most portable device and can provide you the muscle treatment you need anytime, anywhere. So here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the standard ball for the neck. The standard ball comes with the Theragun Mini. If you have additional attachments, consider using the Super Soft for this application for a lighter treatment. You can use whichever you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow you to personalize usage to your own needs. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding the power button. Then set your treatment speed by clicking the same button. Remember to always turn it on before you apply it to the body. Step 3, now for the fun part, using your Theragun Mini. If you're using your Theragun Mini to activate or warm up your neck, we recommend the following protocol. You'll apply the device for 30 seconds total in 10-second increments, starting with the origin of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, then to the insertion of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, and finally you'll want to go back and forth for 10 seconds along the muscle fibers from one end to the other. If you're using your Theragun Mini to recover or relax your neck, we recommend using it all over the muscle, back and forth, side to side for 2 minutes total. You'll notice this will downregulate your nervous system, which is going to calm you. And if you're a frequent flyer, this is a device that is going to become your ultimate travel companion. Remember, we want the Theragun Mini to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed and attachment combinations to find the one that's right for you.